Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Battlefield 6 and you keep getting this error, connection failed with the error code 18508S, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying server disconnected error on Battlefield 6 easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for Cloudflare Warp on here, and then you're going to go onto this link from developers.cloudflare.com. You're going to click download latest stable release. You're going to go ahead and download this latest stable release, and once it's done downloading, you're going to go ahead and install it. After installing it, you're going to open it up. And once it's done opening, you're going to come here, you're going to click onto Cloudflare Warp. You're going to click onto this settings icon, click 1.1.1.1 with Warp and connect Cloudflare Warp. And once it's done connecting, now you're going to open up your game's platform and you're going to click on play on Battlefield 6. And when you click play, your game will work correctly and you will not get that connection failed or server disconnected error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.